can we use the MACD to add to our chart so that we can further predict when to go long or to go short? And MACD has been an indicator that I have used, and it gives you a surety of your entries. In this video, I want us to take a look at the MACD and to see how we can apply it to our charts and then, make informed trading decisions. I'll be right back.
Income streams, they start to flow. From determination they grow. Build your world with what you do. Financial freedom just for you.
What is MACD? MACD is moving average convergence divergence, and it is an indicator that we apply on our charts. And when you combine it with other moving averages, it gives you, a sure prediction as to whether you should go long or you should go short. Right. So I'll take you into the chart, and then we see how we can use the MACD to apply to our trading. All right. So here we are on our chart. We are looking at the chart where we have our MACD indicator here showing us we have the straight line that is across the MACD indicator, that's the zero line, and then we have these bars up and down, green and red, that shows us the histogram, and then we have the MACD line, which is the blue line, and then we have the signal line, which is this, I think that's orange. Okay, so usually what I do is that most of the time when you want to use the MACD, sometimes price may indicate bullish or bearish, but just as you enter for a bullish, a long call or a long, trade, then price reverses. So sometimes you need to add something, maybe to the MACD, you need to add another indicator to the MACD to be able to further ascertain whether price is ready to move up or to move down. So what I did is to add, you see on the chart I have the 200 moving average, that is a blue line across the chart. And so what I do here is that if you look at here on the MACD chart, you see the histogram is building up, building momentum very strongly. You can see the bars building up green over here, and you look at the MACD line also crossing over the signal line. But if you are not too sure, you go up to the chart, and if you can look at here, you see where my mouse is, you see that price has also jumped above the 200 moving average, and that gives you an indication that price is bullish. All right, this is the way you can use to determine whether your price is moving up or is going down, and then you can make a sure decision. If you want to go on a short, then you have to look at the reverse of what we just looked at. Right, so if you see that the histogram is beginning to build momentum downwards, right, and then you look at the MACD, let me see where we can find that happening. You need to see that the MACD crosses over. All right, if you look at this place, okay, if you look at this place, you see that MACD cross over down, the MACD line cross over the signal line, and then it is on a downtrend. But just as it falls below, a little below the zero line, then it consolidated a little bit, and then it has stayed over there, came down a little bit, and so you can see that here it also fell below on the chart. It fell below the 200 moving average, and that tells you that price wants to come down, and really it came down from this place below the 200 moving average all the way down before it started to reverse back upwards. All right. We'll come back to look at how to use the MACD multi-time frames to do our analysis, and so that we don't have to be switching between different time frames. When you use the multi-time frame, you can look at 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whichever time frame that you want to look at to analyze your chart instead of switching between time frames. That will be on another video. Right, if you are new to the channel, my name is Flavia, and you would like to subscribe to the channel where we talk tips and tricks as to how to make monies trading on the stock market and gather money, and then invest such monies into some ventures that we can retire rich and retire young. You don't want to miss. And so I would like you to subscribe to the channel. And for the well builders who have been with me, I want to say thank you so much. Continue to like the videos and continue to leave your comments, and I'll be glad to answer them. I'll see you at the top. Bye.
Start with nothing, start today. Learn to hustle, find a way. Brick by brick you build it right, from the morning through the night. Dreams are growing step by step, every fall a future pep. No experience, just a heart, that's the way you got to start.